Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sylvia, the owner of CsylvicCraft. Today I'm going to show you how to do this design. I made this design with 3 mm seed bead, that's size 3, and 2 mm seed bead, which is size 2. I'm using lilac and black, and I have my cutter today to cut out any unwanted fishing line, and I have my plier to pull my needle out when it gets stuck, and I'm using point 35 fishing line for this project. So to get started, I will be picking one bead. I will use one bead. I will prefer using size 2, this 2 mm seed bead for my stop bead, because after I'm done with this work, I'm not removing it again after this work. That's why I'm going to use this size, but you can decide to use any other color, but just know that this should be your stop bead. So after tying, I have it like this. Then I'll be working with my needle and be working with my right hand. So to start with, I'm going to pick one black, 3 lilac, 1 black, 3 lilac, 1 black, 3 of this, 1, 3 of this. The black should be 7. You pick it until you have 7 blacks. Black, 3, and a black, 3 of this, black, so now I have it complete. So this is what I have. If you see on my fishing line, I have this. I have the 7, the black is 7 here. So this is what it looks like. So I'm going to face it towards my direction. So at this point, I'm going to pick 3 lilac, 1 black, and 3 of this. So I have it like this. Then I will pull it down. So when I pull, I have it like this. So after adding it like this is what I have. Instead of 7, I have 2, 4, 6, 8 blacks now. Then the next thing to do, I'll take my needle. I'm going to skip these 2 bead black, including this third one I picked here. Then I'm skipping 3 and passing it through the 4th black in this order. Then I will pull it. When I pull, I have it like this. I'll put it down so you can see it very well. When I pull, this is what I have. This. So the next thing I will do now After pulling it, I'm going to pick 3 seed bead. I'm picking 3 seed beads, 1 black, and 3 seed bead again. At this point, this is what I have. Then I'm going to skip this black here and pass it through the next black. Then I will pull it. After pulling, I have it like this. So the next thing again, I'm picking 3 blacks, 3 lilac 2 mm, remember seed bead, and a black, and 3 again. I have it like this. Then I'm going to pass through the last black. That's the first one we picked. The first one we picked after the stop bead. Then I'll pull it. When I pull, I have it like this. This is what I have when I pull it. So remember, you can add to the length of this bead if you want. If you're the type that love full necklace, you can go ahead and add. Instead of picking 7 blacks, you pick 9 or 11. But the number should be odd. So now at this point, the next thing I'm going to do now, I'm going to pick 3 of this, 1 black, 3, 1 black again, and another 3. Remember, this is what I have. So when I pull it, I have it like this. So the next thing I'm going to do now, I'm going to pass my needle through this first one here, this first bead black here. Then I'll pull it. Don't forget to pull. When I pull, I have this. This is what it will look like when you pull it. Pull tight, like this. This is what it looks like. So the next thing to do now, I'm going to be picking 3 lilac, 1 black, 3 lilac, like this again. Then I'm going to skip this black, this one here, and pass through this one here where we have it double. Then I'll pull it. When I pull, I have it like this. The next thing, 3 again, 3 lilac, 1 black, and 3 lilac. Like this. Then I'm going to pass it through this bead, this black one by the side here. When I pull, this is what I have. When I pull it, I have something like this. So this time I'm going to turn it towards my direction now. Remember this step. This is what I have now. Then turning it, I'm going now to pick 3 2 mm, 3 of this, 1 black, 3 of this, 1 black, and another 3. then I'll pull it. So after picking it like this, then I'm going to, remember this is where the black I'm coming out from. This is the last black, so I'm going to pass through the next one. That's this one like this by the side, remember. So when I pull it, I have it like this, to look like this. Then the next thing I'll do now, pick 3 again. Three, 1 black, and 3. So this is what I have. Then I'm going to skip this one and pass it through this one where you have it double like this. Then I'll pull it. So I have it like this. Then the next step now, I'm going to pick 3, picking another 3, and a black, and the 3 again, and I have this. Then I'm going to pass it through this one here, the one you see, this last one other by the side. Then I'll pull it. When I pull, this is what I have. This is the design. This is what you have when you pull it. So at this point, remember, once you get to the end, the next thing is to turn it towards your direction, which I've just done. So at this point, I'm going to pick, remember, once you get to the edge, the next thing is to pick 3. Remember the step, 3 of this, 1 black, 3 of this, 1 black, and 3 of this. Always don't forget this step. This is what you pick. Then this point, coming out of this fishing line here, I'm going to pass through the next one. Don't forget this step. When I pull it, I have this one attached like this. So at this point, this is what I have. So I'm going to do this. Once I get to the 4th row, then I will allow you to do it yourself, believing that you've gotten the step. So then I'm going to pick 3 again, three of this, 1 black, and another 3. So I have it like this. And I'm going to skip this one and pass it through this where I have it double. Like this. And I will pull it. And getting to this point, the next thing I will do now is this. Pick another 3. I'll pick 3. 1 black, a 3, like this, and I'll pass it through this last black here by the side, like this. Then I'll pull it. So now this is what I have. Then when I turn it this way, this is the full design. Then I'm going to do this one more time, but I'll get to this rule before stopping. Then remember, this part now is to pick 1, 2, 3, and a black, 1, 1, 2, 3, another black, 1, 2, 1, 2, and 3. So I have it like this. So the next thing, I will let it slide. Then it's coming out from this black, then I'm passing it through this where I have the double black here like this. Then I will pull it. When I pull, I have it like this. This is what I have now. Then after doing this first part, the next part should always be pick 3 of this one, pick 3 and 1 black, pick 3, pick 3 like this. Then skip 1 black and pass it through the next black in front of you like this. Then you pull. Once I pull it hard, I have it like this. So the next thing, I'm going to do this. This is the last one I'm picking now. Then I'm going to pick 3 of this, 3 of the 2 1 black, and another 3 like this, 3 of this like this. This is what I have now. Then I'm going to pass it through the last black by the side this way. This is what I have like this. So go ahead and make yours. If you have any question, don't forget to ask. Follow me on my Instagram handle at CsylvicCraft, my Facebook page at CsylvicCraft. Don't forget to subscribe if you've not done so, and if it's your first time, please do subscribe for more interesting video. I promise that. And share my videos, like them, and also remember to comment if you have any concern, and I will respond immediately. See you next time. Bye bye.